If you're still using ChatGPT like it's 2024, then you're already falling behind, because as of last month, everything changed again. OpenAI dropped 2 new models in May, GPT 4.1 and GPT 4.1 mini. And whether you're brand new to AI or you use it every day like I do, this update is insane. Now, OpenAI released an article and a big prompting guide. But let's be honest, most of you don't have hours to waste reading it. So I broke it all down for you right here in this video. So let's start with what's on everybody's mind. What actually changed? Well, GPT 4.1 is now the most advanced OpenAI model available to the public. If you're using the free plan, you're on the mini version. If you're paying the $20 a month, then you get the mini and full access to GPT 4.1. So when do you use one over the other? Well, the mini is for fast everyday tasks, quick answers, light data work, anything where speed matters more than depth. However, you'll still want to use 4.1 when the job actually matters. We're talking advanced coding, deep logic, long-form breakdowns, or multi-step agents that get shit done. Now here's the kicker. These new models follow your instructions way more literally. This means if your prompt sucks, then your output is going to suck too. See, back in the day, you could type, "Write me a business plan," and get something decent. But now you have to be very precise. So you'd have to write something such as, "Write me a business plan for a luxury pet brand targeting millennial dog moms in the US. Use a bold tone and deliver it as a slide deck outline." Big difference, right? See, if you're not precise, then you're going to be doing a lot of manual edits. And this is going to waste your time. Now, this isn't all that's changing. One of the biggest new features is force thinking mode. Just tell it, think step by step before answering, and it will think logically before providing you with the information. And there's a new agent mode where you could say things like, "Don't stop until the task is 100% complete," or "Use any available tools." You can also say, "Plan every step before taking action." With this, you're truly on track to have your best employee times 10. Oh, and for only $20 a month. Anyway, if you don't know how to prompt like that, then watch this video. I walk you through all the steps and framework I use to generate results that actually make money. Now let's talk about one of the wildest updates. GPT 4.1 now supports up to 1 million tokens of context. And if you're wondering, what the hell's a token? Think of it like words. 1 million tokens mean you can drop in every single Harry Potter book into the chat box and still have room to add your email list, product catalog, customer chats, entire business workflows, and more. We're talking full websites, full books, multi-year histories in one single chat. It'll take whatever you can give it and more. So how do you actually use all this? Let me be blunt. Stop being basic. Write me an email is not a prompt. That's being lazy. Instead, you're going to want to write, "You're a sales expert. Write a persuasive email targeting small business owners who sell candles online." Use a fun, friendly tone. Include a scroll-stopping subject line and with a strong call to action. See, that is a money-making prompt. GPT 4.1 no longer assumes, and it doesn't guess. It's going to follow exactly what you give it. You are now in complete control. You're not the employee, you're the boss. So you have to start acting like one. Now, here's a basic outline of prompts to use to get you started. You have the task. What do you want it to do? Then context. What does it need to know? Add a format, telling it how it should respond. Then choose a role. Who is it pretending to be? And since you are usually targeting someone, then add your audience. And finally, add a goal. What do you want the outcome to be? Now, when you formulate all 6 of these prompts, then it's going to blow your mind. If you skip them, then you're going to get the same trash results everyone else complains about. And trust me, it's not Chatty's fault. It's yours. It's a machine. It only performs as well as what you feed it. So keep that in mind. Now let's talk about results. If you're selling anything online, physical products, digital downloads, coaching services, dog collars, it really doesn't matter. 4.1 isn't just an assistant anymore. It's your second brain. You can use it to write product listings, optimize your SEO, draft your full email funnels, build out your entire website. Write ad scripts, DM replies, refund policies, FAQs, really everything. And soon, OpenAI will roll out MCP. That's multimodal control, so you can plug in tools and apps directly. This is where integration is about to explode. We're talking full automation from your AI dashboard. You'll be able to feed it your entire product catalog and have it tell you what's missing from your listing, which pain points aren't hitting, or what product you should launch next. No more blank screens, no more guessing, no more garbage results. So yeah, it's time to step your game up, because if you're not using this, your competition is. Now remember, lazy prompts equal lazy money. Smart prompts equal six figures and beyond. So start rewriting your strategy. Start printing cash with GPT 4.1 like the boss you are. If you have any questions, drop me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.